There's no way to open the door.
How did you get trapped in there?
Hacker tricked us. He said the only way to open the door is to find something that's the same weight as Digit.
Huh, the same weight as me. Weird.
And while we're figuring that out, he's going to take over Panguilla.
We don't have much time. Wings up, Didge.
Huh?
I need to get an idea how much you weigh, then find something that weighs the same as you. The sled. That might do it.
But the sled doesn't look like me.
It doesn't have to look like you. It just needs to weigh as much as you. I'm guessing this might.
There's no time to guess, Mac.
There's no choice, Inez. I don't have a scale to find out for sure.
Oh, maybe I do. Nope. Who knew we'd need a scale?
Huh. Maybe we can make one.
Make a scale?
Yeah, a balance scale. Like a seesaw. We have a seesaw in our schoolyard. You know you're perfectly balanced when the weight on one end is the same as the weight on the other end. So the seesaw stays level.
Okay, let's build one. How do we do that?
We start with this. We just need something to rest it on so it goes up and down.
How about that?
Might work. A perfect seesaw.
Looks like we have company.
Let's show them how the Cyber Squad works. Hop on, Didge.
Going down.
Let's see if the sled weighs the same as you do. We'll know we found the right weight when the board is level.
Going up.
Not high enough, which means you're heavier than the sled. We need to find something heavier.
This could take a while.
We don't have a while, Didge.
This is heavier than the sled, that's for sure. Let's hope the weight of this rock is equal to your weight.
Watch and learn, penguins.
Hang on, Didge.
Guess that rock does weigh more than I do.
Didge, you okay?
I think so.
Hurry, Matt. We have to stop Hacker.
Hang in there, Jax. I have an idea. Excuse me, what's your name?
Sandra? That's Devin and Melinda.
Sandra, you think you could help us?
Sure, I like helping. You're part of the Cyber Squad, right?
Yeah, I'm Matt. I'm hoping you weigh the same as Digit.
I have no idea.
Let's find out. You sit on that end, okay? Up you go. Easy, easy. You got it. Here's hoping you weigh the same as Digit. Hop on, Didge.
Oh, boy.
Going up, going down. Up and down.
Too far. Looks like you're lighter than Digit.
Oh, maybe Devin or Melinda weigh the same as Digit.
Nope, still no balance. Thanks for trying, Dev, but you're too heavy.
Hurry, Matt. Hurry.
If this works, Inez and Jackie will be free, and we'll make sure Hacker doesn't take over Panguilla.
Going up. I'm moving. Moving. Moving up. Moving down. Moving up. Moving down.
Are we balancing?
Not yet.
Oh, what's happening? Do they weigh the same?
Yeah.
The perfect balance.
Oh, yeah. Melinda the penguin weighs the same as Digit the awesome cyborg.
You did it! Melinda, you saved us!
Thanks, penguins.
Let's get Hacker.
Go get her, Cyber Squad!